Hello, sweet viewers. Annyeong. That means hi in Korean. I'm Christine from Kimbap TV, empowering you to live a happier and safer life, especially if you're a fellow domestic violence survivor. If you're like me and struggle with a sense of unworthiness, this video is for you. Maybe you have a lot of negative self-talk going through your head. You're used to hearing condescending comments from your parents or from your significant other, and you just don't feel like you're ever good enough. Well, I want to connect with you in a deeper way today and invite you to try something with me. This is going to be difficult for me as well, but I think we can do it together. So let's get into it, and I hope this can help you to change your negative thoughts into more positive ones. Over the years, I've received a lot of gifts, picked up things from my travels, or just bought stuff that I really wanted. But instead of actually enjoying them, I found myself stashing them away in that closet. I tell myself that I'm going to enjoy it one by one later when the time is right and I truly deserve that special moment. Or I try to convince myself that someone else deserves it more than I do. So my husband jokes that that closet has become my gift closet for someone else. This is just a small collection of what I'm talking about. I think the reason that I've been acting and thinking the way that I have is because deep inside I just feel unworthy. I remember growing up constantly chasing report cards with straight A's. This one semester I got one A- and that killed me. I knew I disappointed my mom and I felt like a failure. Now I know I was just being a perfectionist, but that's how I was conditioned. Fast forward to my adulthood. When I worked for local news, I get hounded on if I mess something up. Grammar, vocabulary, the way I looked. If something was wrong or if I just messed up on air, I knew I'd be hearing about it afterwards from some really unhappy managers. So I would always have this sense of fear lingering around me. And if I got everything right, that was great for that day, but tomorrow it would start all over again, that pursuit of not wanting to let anyone down. Then there's my relationship, the domestic violence one. If you've also been in a similar situation, chances are you've been called a lot of really mean things. Worthless is one of them. Because someone who I thought truly loved me called me so many negative names, I conditioned myself to actually believe it. Subconsciously, I still believe it. And it's been years, you guys. So with a lot of therapy and by clinging on to my Christian faith, I've been learning about how to start letting go of my unworthiness. I'll blog more about that on my Patreon, but right now I'm challenging myself and you to start enjoying the things that you don't think you're worthy of. So starting with this. This is a pair of pink flats from Tory Burch that I bought and I left in the closet for about a year. I didn't know when the right time would be to wear it because I was like, these are the perfect pair of shoes, and as soon as I wear them, I'm gonna mess them up. So my husband challenged me and said, you know what? This is what you've really wanted. You deserve it. Like, wear it. So I wore it out after almost a year of storing them nicely. And that wallet you see up there has also been in my closet for a long time because I just felt like maybe my sister would want it or maybe my best friend would want it. My husband's like, no, you want it and you got it, so you deserve to enjoy it. Under that is another pair of shoes. This is from my wedding day. Aren't they pretty? They're like golden flats. And I bought them because I thought they were practical and I thought I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it, so I'm not wasting my money. But I have not worn them since the wedding and they've been in my closet. And again, it's another story of not feeling worthy enough, right? And just wanting to not waste it by using it on me. My husband got this for me recently. And it's Hello Kitty rice crackers with strawberry senbei. I don't know what that means. I'm just thinking it's like icing. I grew up eating similar crackers with my grandma, but this one is Hello Kitty and it was on sale, guys. It wasn't even expensive. My husband got it for me because he knows I love pink things, Hello Kitty, these crackers, and strawberry flavor. Unfortunately, it's been sitting in my storage closet, and since he was cleaning out the storage closet yesterday, he brought it over and is like, add this to your unworthiness closet. So I'm actually gonna break into it. And if you have something similar, I hope you'll share this snack with me virtually. They're so crispy, yes. The taste I remember. I don't know if you know Kakao Talk. It's a Korean chat app, and this is one of my favorite characters. My sister, when she goes to Korea, she gives me the cutest gifts. This one is a coin purse, as well as I think like a luggage tag. You can put your ID in it, and she's so cute, and she's been stored in my room. And I just look at her from time to time, but don't use her to her fullest potential. This is a gift I got from a friend's mom. It's a magnet, Hello Kitty. She has like rosy cheeks, and I was afraid to take her out of her wrapper because I didn't want her rosy cheeks to go away. One of my best friends got me this. It's Hello Kitty. She's a sushi, and it's also a pencil case. This one, it says sonrie, which means smile, right? And it's a beer, and he's like smiling. Que aquí llega la cerveza. When I was in Prague and we had to flee, I still remember to grab the chocolates that they put on our pillows every day. I've been saving this chocolate since I came home from Prague in mid-March. So now is as good a time as any to take a bite into it or just eat the whole thing. Still looks good. Enjoying these things is important. This is soda from Korea. My sister got me this the last time she was in Korea. It has a picture of my favorite ice cream bar that I used to eat as a child when I lived in Korea. It's called candy bar, or candyba, that's how we say it in Korea. Really captures that taste from my childhood. I cannot get a hold of this ice cream anywhere in LA, and so my sister, when she saw these drinks, she brought a couple of them over. One I drank right away with my husband, and the other one has been stored in my refrigerator ever since. It's been like almost a year, I think. And my sister told me that it expires, so I should actually be drinking this before it expires. So today's the day. Takes me right back to like when I was 5 in Korea, going to my Munbangu, like my corner store in front of my apartment. Closest thing, you know, to having the ice cream bar that I want. This is a souvenir I bought myself when I was in Asturias, Spain, northern Spain. Look at this. It's like a collection of 3 pouches, and it says un sueño que cumplir, un camino que recorrer, a dream to fulfill, a path to travel. Isn't it timely? It's got a cow on a scooter. It's a keychain with a unicorn with the ice cream on its nose. Asturias, a place I absolutely love. You guys should check out my travel vlog on Asturias if you haven't seen it yet. I don't know if you remember this guy, Peckle, from the Sanrio Gardena video I made. This guy cost $39.70 plus tax, and I bought him because I wanted to support the Sanrio store and keep it from closing. But since making this video, his home is no more. The store closed down, and so I wanted to cherish him. This is this tiny chocolate bar with colorful jelly popping candy pieces. This I got in Australia when I was on my honeymoon, and it came in a large pack with other chocolate bars, but this one was my favorite, so I said I'm gonna eat this when the time is right, and again, now's the time. So there's something so fulfilling about tasting the thing that you've been anticipating for so long. That chocolate is from 2017, October. It's been like 3 years and it's still good. Hopefully I don't get a stomachache after this. These shoes are an example of what I wanted when I was a kid and I didn't get to have. When I was growing up, everyone wore these when we were in middle school. They wore it in silver, white, black. I wanted silver so badly, but my feet were kind of big. I went to this one store owned by my mom's friend, and I could not find the silver one in my size, and so I had to settle for navy blues. And to this day, I just really, really wanted a pair of silver ones. And when I saw that they had these in a kid size and I actually fit into them, I bought them. And they're like an upgraded version of the ones I wore as a child because the silver sparkles more. I wore them out like once or twice, and then I felt really, really worried that I was gonna make them, dirty because they're all white. And so I kept them inside a bin in my closet for the longest time. But I'm going to wear these out on my morning walk. I'm breaking out into a sweat right now because taking advantage of all of these things at this moment, it's hard. I don't know why. Still, I have these like thoughts that's like, oh my God, you just broke into that. Or like, oh my gosh, you can never just why, You deserve that special moment now. And I think the more you practice being kind to yourself and giving yourself these treats, that you've been looking forward to, there's a sense of empowerment that comes with that action. For example, I'm gonna take another drink of this. First thoughts as the soda hits my tongue. Yep, that's exactly how it tasted when I was younger and I had that ice cream bar. Oh my gosh, my sister cares about me so much that she went to, different places looking for that. She would go to different stores looking for the ice cream, and then when she finds something that's like she's actually able to bring back to the US for me, she did this. It's like her heart in this bottle. It's not just the liquid. And this, my friend Liz knows how much I love Hello Kitty, and so she brought it all the way from Oregon or Texas. I don't know where she bought this from, but she brought it from a different state to show me that she loves me and that she cares for me and that she wants me to continue working hard at my dreams by storing my pens here. This one, I got this because I want to step out into bigger and better opportunities for myself. This is my Kimbap TV shoes because Kimbap TV is all about sparkling pink because I'm the owner and I love sparkling pink. And so paired with that wallet, this is the perfect visual for who I am. And so I think the more I get into this habit of telling myself I am worthy, of replacing those negative thoughts and words that come into my head, I'm showing myself love. I'm telling myself I matter and that I am worthy of this. I don't have to give it away. I don't have to sell it to someone else. I don't have to gift it to someone else. I deserve this now. So why don't you try saying that to yourself as well if you do find yourself in moments of, sadness or just thinking that you're unworthy. My friend recently mailed me a care package with this book. It says She Inspires. Thank you, Lisa. And it says, fill your days with what matters most. And what matters most is you loving yourself and being in this moment and enjoying what you have right in front of you. So I hope this helps. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I would love to also see where you're coming from. So comment with your name and the city where you're watching this from. And I'm just so grateful to be able to share little slices, of life with you in hopes that this can empower you to step out into a happier and safer tomorrow. So with that, I look forward to seeing you guys again. Take great care and have a great day. Bye.